Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm so excited to take you guys with me to Olive Beach, and I'm so excited because I found the perfect luxury pop-up, that is the Luxit pop-up. So basically the Luxit pop-up happens every year, and these people do happen in different places like I've been to the Shangri-La, the JW Marriott, and these are people that host a lot of pop-ups based on luxury items from clothing, accessories, as well as crockery. So different kind of pop-ups hold different kind of things. So I'm so excited to take you guys with me. So let's go check it out. Hi, will you show me one of your most trendiest piece?
Yes, of course. So we're into two sectors. One is our embroidery sector, which we do. Really pretty.
That looks nice. So
And then we're also into organic cotton Kashmiri embroidered jam.
okay.
Something like this is super wearable.
And something you are also wearing.
Yeah.
Looks nice. I feel like these pieces look really nice. If you can show me these. This? Yeah. The whites. See, the kaftan looks really nice.
These two are our best sellers.
Oh wow. And these are like pants. Like,
Pants or dhotis, skirts, everything is customized.
and if people contact you, they can customize it the way they want.
It totally depends on what kind of customization, but yes. That's organic linen.
Oh, nice. That one, the bell pants. Yeah. So I found this brand Pour Amour, which is so interesting. So they are like luxury gifting. So basically you can get a bottle and give it to them to be customized, or even send them your requirements and they customize any kind of designs. I found them very interesting because these kind of bottles can either you can gift it to people, or even if you're holding events, these can act like decor pieces, or even as return gifts if you are throwing a party or something. Very interesting. And I've linked their Instagram handle below, so go definitely check them out.
Guys, your guys' price ranges?
So it starts, it's around 6,000. That will be an average price.
And can people find you on Instagram, or do you guys have a website?
We are on Instagram and we are a brand that customizes. So we can make anything that you like in any size that you want.
Awesome.
It's a one shoulder top.
Okay.
So it's more like a drape style. So
It looks more like a kaftan.
yeah, it's like a kaftan inspired.
But one, yeah.
So that's how it
Oh, okay. That Oh yeah.
The bows are detachable.
Oh,
Yes, and I've given two placements.
okay.
One is over here, the other is over
Over here.
And if neither places you want to style it at, you can style it in your
And what if I want it behind or something like
I
that?
can do that also.
That's awesome. And I want your shop's name. Super cute. That's nice.
And we have like, so that I'm wearing.
Oh, nice. Did you design this? I love it how you're so proud of yourself saying like